to get, outside. I need a quick flush down into the low end for me to get some long on, or I need to get a close over and then a dip into it for me to get some long on. Right? Otherwise, I'm just chilling. I'm just saying, here we go, 44.50. We're coming up on this. I got some calls there, and I paid myself twice now. I've paid for over half of my swing. I'm looking at 62. I'm going to take off, the bulk of that one strike, pay myself a little bit more here, and I'm in a really good spot. And I will have paid for most of my swing now. I need to pay myself one more time on this. Gorgeous. Let's go. That's beautiful, man. I mean, these Friday's expiration, these 60s are trading at 27. I've taken profits, and I've got a couple of contracts left on, one strike. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in place on those two contracts. I'm going to, put it just down here, so it's a profit stop no matter what, and I'll just have my swing on. So.